Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from Bedner's Farm and Greenhouse. I'm very excited to introduce a new plant, Bedners, that we grew this year. This is Porteranthus trifoliatus. It's also known as Galenia trifoliatus, um, commonly named Bowman's root or Indian psychic. This is a particular variety that is called Pink Profusion, um, and it is distinct from the straight species because it has a nice reddish tint to the foliage, as you can see here, and it has these very pretty light pink flowers. They're star-shaped. The plant is sort of a nice mounding shape, and it has these nice arching stems of the pink flowers in like May to June. This plant is really great in like a woodland edge setting. So if you have a space that gets some sun and then it gets shade in like the hottest part of the day, that's a perfect place for it. This plant is also great in many kinds of soils, and is pretty well behaved from what I recall. I first came across this plant when I worked at a native plant botanic garden several years ago at this point, and I fell in love with it back then, and I'm really excited that we're able to carry it here now for you guys. So come on down and pick some up for yourself today.